My name is Patrick. What happens when you find a nice car on eBay, something that's within your cost range, but it's an older car, you love the way it looks, but you know you can't play your cell phone on it? Here's what you do. I found this product by Gizmo Guy, CD quality sound from your cell phone to your world-class audio system on the cool car you bought. Let's see how it works. You plug it into your phone. This is an iPhone, and you just start playing your music. Open your music. It actually was charging my phone as it's playing music, so definitely recommend the Gizmo Guy.
Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Today I'm going to show you what makes my transmitter different from all the other ones that you can find on eBay or Amazon. Now we're going to play this music. We're going to plug in my transmitter. Give it a minute. Now you can hear that the music is coming through from the car speakers loud and clear. Now listen to the sound quality. Okay, the sound quality is CD-like quality, which is better, even better than the local station. Local station from your phone. So this is sound quality is what sets my transmitter apart from other ones. So this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye. For more information about the product or to make a purchase, please check out my website at iPhone-FM-transmitter.com. iPhone-FM-transmitter.com.